The Ministry of Education has launched an investigation into devotion protocols following Oberlin High School incident yesterday. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Ministry of Education and Youth says it has launched an investigation to help determine the protocols for devotions. The Education and Youth Minister, Favour Williams, says that while the ministry encourages devotion in schools, school leaders have the responsibility to exercise caution as to the content and likely impact on students. The minister's comment follows yesterday's early dismissal of classes at the Oberlin High School after regular devotion was erupted into chaos with students kicking, screaming and fainting. According to school administration, the students were overpowered by an anointing after a teacher spoke to them. Speaking to Links 007 TV News last evening, Member of Parliament for St. Andrew Western Rural, Juliet Cuthbert Flynn, says that the ministry is expected to speak with the students early this morning.
I think the ministry will possibly be there tomorrow morning to speak to the children, because I think it's going to be very important that we have some social workers or psychologists or something, because I think a lot of the kids were traumatized as well. As I spoke to a few of them, they were a little bit concerned, disoriented, not sure what was happening, and I think something has to happen tomorrow when the children go back as if nothing happened.
Links 007 TV News understand that acting principal of Oberlin High School, Antoinette Gray, has submitted a preliminary report of the incident to the Education Ministry. The report informed during the devotion a teacher at the school had a word for the student population, and so she was given the opportunity to share along with other teachers. The acting principal reportedly said that based on her humble opinion, during the worship some of the students were overpowered by an anointing and started to worship aloud, as well as while a few others who had been taken to the nurse because they couldn't control themselves, and a few had also fainted. The report said that after the worship session ended, more students were brought to the nurse due to them acting abnormally. Some parents reportedly assisted in consoling the students, while other concerned parents contacted the institution to determine the state of their children. Classes were eventually dismissed at 10 a.m. on Wednesday because of the complexity of the situation and some students being unsettled. The Education and Youth Ministry is yet to respond to the report of the incident.
Combo flag, achi dag them.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.